In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Indeed profile. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Setting up your Indeed profile is an important step toward landing your next job, and it's easier than you might think. So, let's dive in. First, if you haven't already, head over to the Indeed website. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and typing in Indeed.com. Once you're on the site, you'll see a button that says Sign In at the top right corner. If you already have an Indeed account, go ahead and sign in using your email and password. If you're new to Indeed, look for the Sign Up button instead. You'll want to create a free account. It only takes a few minutes. After you sign up or log in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here you will see options to upload your resume or create a new one. If you have a resume ready, I highly recommend uploading it. Just click on Resume on the left side of the dashboard and follow the prompts to upload your document. Indeed will scan your resume and import the information, making it much easier for you. If you don't have a resume just yet, no worries. You can create one directly on Indeed. Click on Create a Resume, and you will be guided through several sections, including your work history, education, and skills. Make sure to fill in as much information as possible. The more details you provide, the better your chances are of being noticed by potential employers. Once your resume is set up, it's time to enhance your Indeed profile. Click on Profile in the dashboard. Here, you can add a professional profile picture. Choose a clear headshot that represents you well, as this adds a personal touch to your application. Remember, first impressions count. Next, take a moment to fill in your location and desired job titles. This information helps Indeed suggest relevant job openings and also makes it easier for employers to find you. Be specific, but also open to various roles. This increases your chances of landing a great job. Let's not forget about the summary section. This is your opportunity to showcase your personality and professional goals. Write a brief paragraph about your skills, experience, and what you're looking for in a position. Keep it concise but compelling. Aim to highlight what makes you unique. Now, let's talk about your skills. Indeed allows you to add specific skills relevant to your field. Take your time to think about what you excel at. These skills will help match you with job opportunities that fit your expertise. After populating your profile, it's crucial to set your job alerts. Navigate to the Job Alerts tab and select the types of positions you're interested in, along with how frequently you want to be notified. This keeps you in the loop and can facilitate quicker applications. Last but not least, don't forget to review your profile. Make sure everything is filled out correctly, and don't hesitate to ask someone to review it for you. Sometimes a fresh set of eyes can catch something you might have missed. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Indeed profile and are ready to start applying for jobs. Remember to keep your profile updated whenever you have new experiences or skills to share. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your job search. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like if you found it helpful. See you next time.